Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2017 Mazda 2 1.5 GT Sport NAV. This is a 113 brake horsepower model. This car's finished in eternal blue metallic paint. It's got LED daytime driving lights, front fog lights, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, rear spoiler, got the shark fin roof aerial, rear privacy glass, you've got the 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, front and rear side. Inside the car you've got the charcoal grey leather upholstery with Alcantara centre panels. Got the leather finish on the dashboard as well. Rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. ISOFIX fixing points for the baby seat, electric rear window openings, near side rear alloy wheel. Moving on to the back of the car, you've got the rear parking sensors, and this is also linked to a rear parking camera. So into the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat, moving on to the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel, keyless entry, so the touch button to enter the car when the key's in your pocket or in your bag. Electric windows all round, electric folding mirrors, in the centre console you've got the control unit for the media system. On the dashboard you've got the controls for the stop start deactivation switch, tyre pressure monitor reset, lane departure set, six-speed gearbox. You got USB and auxiliary port, 12-volt plugins for accessories, and the SD card holder for the navigation system. Climate control, and you've got heated front seats. So this car's done 19,689 miles. We also got the heads-up display system, which for safety, and touchscreen navigation system. So that's on the nav into the home page, and the big dial you use to control to select which function you're wanting to use. So into the audio you've got FM, AM and DAB radio stations, Bluetooth connectivity, the USB ports, CD player, auxiliary port, so you've big choice of where your music's going to come from, playing it from an external device. Bluetooth connectivity for your phone as well. Automatic headlamps, rain sensitive wipers, controls on the steering wheel for answering and rejecting calls. You've also got voice control if your phone's compatible. The other side you've got the controls for the cruise control, In the display, once you place select reverse, that's the view from the rear camera. Leather steering wheel. So moving back outside the car, an identification plate that tells it's a Mazda 2 1.5 GT Sport 115 PS. Driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. We look forward to your inquiry. Bye.